Hi, just a quick video today to show you how to download fonts from DaFont and have them appear in your Cricut Design Space. So the first thing you need to do is go to the DaFont website, select the font that you want to download. So I'm just going to pick this first one here and download it. Now your downloads will usually automatically save in your download folder. So if I go there now, here it is. It is a zipped file, but you just double click on that to undo it. If you're having trouble unzipping your files, I've got a separate video on that you can watch. Then we want to click on the one that's called Open Type Font File. Double click on that so that it opens up. And then we click this Install button up in the top. And that's it, it's installed now. So if you already had your Cricut Design Space open, you will need to close it and open it again, just so it refreshes itself and it'll be in there. But what's it called? We'll go have a look. Christmas Bell. So we've come into Cricut Design Space, we just want to add text. I'm just going to write hello, and then we want to change it to the one that we downloaded, so it was called Christmas Bell, and there it is. I don't know why it's not showing you the font as it should look, but hopefully when we click on it, yep, there it is. Other things that you probably want to do with fonts that are supposed to be joined is changing your letter space so that they move close together, and there we go. So now we have that font and it's installed in our Cricut Design Space.